Hello, my name's Carol. I'm a customer advisor in the Orchard Leisure Centre in Armagh.
Hello, my name is Maria. I'm admin assistant at the Orchard Leisure Centre as well.
I was diagnosed with breast cancer in October of last year. Thankfully, after treatment, I feel great. I'm back in work. It has been wonderful, the support that I've had from my work colleagues, from management and from our lovely members who come in and out of the centre.
I was diagnosed with breast cancer in December last year. It's been quite a journey. This journey hasn't finished yet. I'm still working on my recovery, but I'm feeling stronger every day. And I'm also very grateful for the support from my work colleagues, from all the departments, from Orchard Leisure Centre, from Information Governance, from the Marketplace Theatre, from NHR. Everybody's been so supportive.
While I was receiving treatment at Craigavon Area Hospital, we got support from the Pretty in Pink breast cancer charity. So I want to thank our staff members who have organised a charity Spinathon on the 30th of October in aid of Pretty in Pink breast cancer charity. Fantastic charity, and we hope to get a lot of support from the public.
Carol and I are amongst 40 members of staff that we're going to take part on this Spinathon. Please come along to cheer us on and support this lovely charity, Pretty in Pink. They are amazing, they do amazing work for our community, and especially to myself, they've been very supportive. I've used many of their services. They offer financial support, emotional support. There's complementary therapies, which I'm currently going to reflexology treatment, which is amazing and really helps. So please support this wonderful charity.
October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so we want to highlight, myself and Maria, the importance of going for regular mammograms and checks. If you notice any change in your body, to seek help immediately, because early diagnosis really does save lives.
Please come along and support us on the day of this Spinathon. We are stronger together.